I'm very excited of announcing once again that I'll be speaking at Global from Asia Cross-Border Summit in Guangzhou on October 22nd and 23rd. My name is Davide Nicolucci. If some of you didn't see me already in the past Cross-Border Summit or Mastermind or events organized by Global from Asia. I'm very excited. I'm gonna share with you guys some of the most updated hacks and tips for Amazon sellers regarding how to manage your PPC campaigns. I know that it's a very hot topic right now and some people might be struggling. So this is what I wanted to give to the community with my vast contribution. I will be also hosting a workshop the day after on October 23rd. So if you guys are interested in knowing with a little bit more details and in-depth know-how and strategies on how to, optimize your sales and your campaigns and lower your ACOs, things like this, and find your strategies on your PPC, then just feel free to sign up for the workshop. I'll be hosting it. I think it's gonna be a few intense hours that we have here. So yeah, right. Thanks once again to each one of you, and I'll see you soon in Guangzhou. All right, cheers.